When I was starting out a few years ago in affiliate business, I remember, and I will remember this for the rest of my life, how I earned my first $20. Man, it was so crazy and such an enlightened moment that yes, I can make money on affiliate. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks, and for the beginners, how you can make money with CPALead and how you can make money with affiliate. I focus on creating content, creating YouTube videos, and then having like affiliate links down below in the description, and that's the way how I earn money. And if you want to earn money that way, there is going to be a link down below in the description how you can build a successful channel on affiliate and everything, and I have consultations, everything there. So that's like pretty neat, and check it out definitely. I got a like free course there. So CPALead, how we can make money. What is really great about CPALead? The best thing is like cost per acquisition, or when you're going to like downloads, you can have like really good payouts. So in short term, CPALead is really amazing. You choose a product, you go and promote it. Now, my recommendation is you need to definitely do research. Don't just like jump on a whatever there is trending, and but like everyone is doing it and the competition is huge there. It's risky, the strategy is not that great, and I believe that it's not really that worth it. But what you want to do is to do research, is if it's actually worth it to make videos about it. So let me just show you how it works. So you come here, and you come here to CPALead. Now, before we start also, I want to show you how I make money. So this is one of my affiliates that I have right here, and this is on a CPA, like similar style of the CPA. You see right here that I make 220 a month, 360 a month, 320 a month, 320, 290 a month. This is one of my affiliates. I'm in like 15, 20 programs right now. I make from 1 to 5K a month. And you see clearly that I pay rent 312 euro. And imagine when I make 360, like I got rent paid by just this one affiliate program. And it's evergreen content, so it's videos that I made in the past. I made those videos 2 years back, and they still earning money. That's like 3,000 euro for free. And I didn't have to do anything at all. So this is how amazing it is. Now, that's something really important. And now back to the CPALead. So you see right here, you're going to see the payout, you're going to see the advertiser, the rank. You can go with a rank, and we're going to see the Norton Secure or interference, 12 cents here. And you see right here that if you're gonna math brain jogging game, if you're gonna refer this app, you would have 12 cents. So we can look up here, interference app, Google Play. So that's something you can do. Then we see even more like Norton Secure VPN. We see how it looks like. iOS. And you're gonna see plenty of apps here that you can like crypto.com. You see it right here, 60 cents. Bill Shark. And what you can actually do, guys, is to create videos about those apps and then have links down below in the description. So what you can do is just like come here and look at this Lil Nas X. Or we can go Survey Junkie. And you get like link here. And it's only in the US. Mobile banking. And you can really also limit it by also the payout here. And then what is really important is to create content about it. So what did crypto.com review? And you would make like video about it, and then you would have like link down below in the description. So that's something you can do, and it's like pretty good thing. And then you're gonna like sports app. Bill Shark 2. You can come here and have like Bill Shark review. But my recommendation is don't only use CPALead. You want to join to different kind of programs, let's say ClickBank and others that you can make money with too. And that's what I would definitely recommend to do for you. And then I can come here and Bill Shark, write it here. See? And you can make video about it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, pretty easy. And you can like literally choose every single application. Another way what you can do is to create a Facebook page, share it in groups. Like when you would come here, you can go to landing pages, you can create a landing page and use it. That's something you can do. Or what you can do also, write articles about those apps. That's another way how you can actually make money. But again, they don't really have that many offers when you would come here. I mean, they have some here, but that's something you should definitely focus on. Another thing, guys, is if you're gonna join multiple affiliate programs, don't try to find shortcuts. I see it everywhere. People try to get rich quick. Think long term. Literally join programs that get also like recurring affiliate, that when you will write Google recurring affiliate programs, convert it, and you see it right here. And you can create content about those, right? Mail, right? So these are really good ones, right? So now the best thing about if you're gonna actually recommend some affiliate programs, let's say Proof, Post Tap Affiliate, Builder, Time Doctor, Rescue Time, NordVPN, 100% first month and 30% recurring commissions forever, you're gonna make a lot of money. So that's something you can definitely do, and that this is something that you can focus on. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. But this is how you can make money with CPALead. Pretty straightforward, the free ways. You can just like create page, share it on Facebook, run ads on it, or what you can do is to write articles, or you can create videos. These are the ways how I believe that you can make good money from CPALead. And this is like the CPA tutorial, CPA guidance, CPA everything. So yeah, affiliate is a good way how you can make money, only because you are not actually selling your own products. You are selling someone else's product and you're just like getting a cut from it. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Again, write down below in the comments if you can have any questions. This is how you can make money on CPALead. This is a CPALead for the beginners, CPALead tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.